of months ago, I learned what a pilot light was in a fireplace because somebody had to come and fix it for me and I didn't know what that was before. But I realized the pilot light is something that's always on, and I realized that once again there was a song there, and I wrote a song called Pilot Light. Did you hear they're opening a brand new bar? Seems like the kind of place you go to fall in love. Body like a back road, heart like a truck. They say pick your own poison, not just love. The pilot light in my heart is always on for you. Every time I think we're done, we're through. It comes back stronger than before. And in the dark you can really see it. The pilot light. Suddenly came to my house and lit the fireplace. And since that day I don't know how to be. In the back of my mind it's you and me. You're far away, but close to me. Isn't that how it always goes? I drive away just to come back, and you always know. And the silence can't break me now, 'cause I know there's a pilot light in your heart, and it's always on. A pilot light in my heart is always on for you. Every time I think we're done, we're through. It flickers stronger than before. And when the sun goes down, you can really see it in the dark. Flames dancing around. Pilot light. Writing songs from start to end, will it bring you back again? I know I need to learn surrender, but I still see your face again. It's deeper than what I've ever known. Common sort of hunger to get underneath your skin and learn what you're about now. The pilot light in my heart is always on for you. Every time I think we're done, we're through. It flickers stronger than before. And when the sun goes down, you can really see it in the dark. Flames dancing around. Pilot light. Pilot light. Pilot light. Thank you.